Hello everyone, how are you all? So we thought of going to this offbeat location in Dehradun. It's not very well known to everyone, and we actually don't know where we are supposed to go. There was a guy who was supposed to come with us, but he's apparently sleeping. So we've just parked our car somewhere around there, and we're gonna hike. I don't know how long this hike will be, so let's see.
चलिए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं.
Okay, so we are about 500 meters in. The trail is really good, and as you can see, I did not think of my shoes, and it's already covered in mud. Okay, so that's a resort right there. Okay, something called Jungle Gadera Luxury Camp and Resort. Okay guys, so it looks like the tough part of the trek is gonna begin. You can see we came all the way from there, which was pretty simple. There's a division here, and up we go. Finally time to test our heart's capacity as we are going up the hill. Very good landscape there, a small river flowing right there, a very small village right there. So we actually took the wrong path. We hiked up quite a bit, and then we met these three guys, and they told us that it's not actually that way, and now we're headed down the hill, and I really hope that it's there. भैया कितना दूर है waterfall? इसी रास्ते पर है? कितना दूर है? Finally, eyes are on the prize. Okay, so we have again come at a point where there are two paths. We're not sure which one to go. So one's that way, and that is apparently where we have to put our feet into the water, and this is another way where we can just go up the hill and reach the waterfalls. So we are back on the other path because we again went the wrong way, and we could not descend down to the actual waterfall. The rocks were very slippery, and it did not feel very safe and secure. So here we are now, trekking alongside this river, and hopefully we'll land up in the right location. As they say, good destinations come to people who get their feet wet, and in some cases their shoes wet. And here our friend Anurag is stuck. He's gonna chart the new paths for us. height of the fall here in Dehradun. It's pretty high and it's really cold and we are really enjoying the summer. So all of a sudden rain has started pouring down, and as much as I would love to be here in this rain, I think it's a bit dangerous for us to be here. As you can see, the waterfall is already quite huge and we are in the middle of nowhere in the jungle, and I wouldn't want to be washed away with this water. So we have decided finally to go back from here and hopefully we will reach he's posing guys up, and hopefully we'll reach down to our car before the rain gets bad. So this is my makeshift rain cover for the bag. Nakul here had a polythene which I've covered the bag with because it's raining. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure of how this is gonna hold, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's really pouring down now. All in all, it was a really good experience, and right now because we are descending down, I can't stop my swimming pool there. There's a small resort. बारिश बहुत तेज हो गई है, but it was totally worth it. While going up the hill, we were like, it was worth it because we were so tired and sweaty because of the heat. But now we are all refreshed, really refreshed. The water was cold, fresh. I just enjoyed it. It was awesome.